Hi, my name is Tharun. I'm from Sri Lanka. I'm 18 years old. Culinary has really been a passion since a young age. I've been following this passion for 18 years now. It really started when I started cooking with my mom. Being able to work with different people from different backgrounds, with the skills and knowledge that I've learned from ICCA, it'll help me to be confident in my work. This will also ensure that I'm able to improve on myself and become the better version than I was the previous day. ICCA really showed me what I actually have, my fullest potential, what I'm able to do, because before joining ICCA, I was not that confident in the dishes I was able to put out. After these 3 months, I'm actually proud of myself and the dishes that I'm able to make. So a last message to ICCA would be keep doing what you're doing best. Really want to thank the chef instructors. They were really the backbone to all of our successes. You can see the passion in them to provide us the knowledge and become better versions of ourselves.